Returning to wealthy coins, howdy everyone! The internet will crash because Shytoshi made this Shiba Inu listing public. SHIB updates for Shiba Inu. August has been a fantastic month thus far. In addition to being listed on a top platform, the token's price and worth have skyrocketed. Even though it only lasted one day, the price of Shiba Inu surged 42% and ended up at 33.7% overall. The retracement of SHIB's price after it formed a swing high at 0,180 may indicate that investors are cashing out. This video will discuss the Shiba Inu listing that Shytoshi revealed, which is expected to cause a stir online. Shiba updates. To stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get the video started. The Shiba Inu price increased by 33.7% overall, with a staggering 42% increase in just 1 day's trading. Until the meme coin finds a solid support level at $0.0130, this trend will most likely persist. A retest of the point of control POC at $0.118 can occur if the Shiba Inu price digs deeper. Technically, this level should act as support, as it received the most traded volume since April 11th. Accordingly, investors hoping to profit from the next possible rise should wait for a recovery from these two levels. Investors should brace themselves for the Shiba Inu price to either reach a new all-time high of $0.180 or break past this level of resistance and head towards the $0.200 mark. On the next leg, investors can anticipate a 50% increase. This depends critically on Bitcoin's price staying put. It is reasonable to be bullish on SHIB if BitCrypto stays sidelined or continues to rise. However, the bullish thesis will be rendered invalid if the price of Shiba Inu falls below the point of control POC at $0.00118 and fails to remain above it. Shiba Inu's price can fall 10% to retest the $0.0106 support level in that scenario. As of right now, Shiba Inu ranks as the 15th biggest cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap, making it the second biggest meme coin. A digital currency used for sending and receiving transactions, it was once created as a joke token similar to Dogecoin. But now it's a one-of-a-kind coin with other uses. It made waves in the cryptocurrency world not long ago when the highly anticipated Bone Farms proposal received a 97.88% vote from the community on June 27, 2022. Along with Shiba Inu, Leash, and the Shiba Swap, the Shiba Inu ecosystem utilizes Bone as one of its 4 tokens for staking, yield farming, trading, and rewards. September is the scheduled date for the long-awaited Ethereum merge, an upgrade that will finalize Ethereum's shift from a proof-of-work to a proof-of-stake system. The merger will also change Ethereum's monetary strategy, which will lead to a decrease in the quantity of ETH and a more ecologically friendly network. Inflation on Ethereum will be lower than on Bitcoin following the merger, according to experts. Ethereum, particularly when fee burns are implemented, will experience deflation, in contrast to Bitcoin's inherently inflationary nature. This merger is a major interest-wise trigger for Ethereum Classic. Formed as a result of an internal disagreement among Ethereum team developers, Ethereum Classic is often seen as the less popular and less esteemed sister of Ethereum. Many Ethereum miners are seeing Ethereum Classic as a safe harbor because it will continue to use proof of work. According to the experts, the cryptocurrency market will undergo a triple halving event when the merge upgrade is released. Due to the strong relationship between the triple halving event and the rationale behind its significance in rising the value of Ethereum, they anticipate that Ethereum's value would likewise increase instantly, especially because Bitcoin has typically reacted positively to halving. There will be deflationary pressure on the Ethereum network and a precipitous drop in the ETH supply of 80–90% when the network switches to the POS consensus mechanism following the introduction of the merge upgrade. This process is known as burning, or 3 times the size of the Bitcoin system cut in half. Ethereum has undergone a triple halving. Along with the POS consensus mechanism, the Ethereum London fork of 1599 protocol will significantly decrease the issuance of Ethereum ETH. The next several months should see a meteoric rise in Ethereum demand following this breakthrough. There has been new speculation that Bone Shiba Swap may be listed on Play.ht, a platform that allows users to trade several assets including cryptocurrencies. A tweet confirming the inclusion of SHIB, the most popular canine-themed cryptocurrency, was recently tweeted by the newly founded cryptocurrency exchange. The tweet tagged Shytoshi Kusama, the principal developer of ShibaSwap. Aside from that, Bluebit, dropped a clue to the Shiba Inu community about the imminent listing of Bone, the governance token of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, on their platform. We have listed SHIB on Bluebit. As stated in a tweet by Shytoshi Kusama of Bluebit. At this time, would you like to see Bone listed? Yes, it would be fantastic, Kusama enthusiastically replied to the tweet. With headquarters in St. Vincent and operations in Dubai, Bluebit, is not your average multi-asset trading platform. Reduced fees and enhanced security make this exchange ideal for trading bitcoins. Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Shiba Inu, SMI, and more than 700 other trading instruments across 7 asset classes are now available on the multi-asset trading platform. Ethereum is the host blockchain for the Shiba Inu token. When the network is clocking too many transactions at once, the gas or transaction costs go up, which in turn makes Ethereum blockchain applications cost more to use. This was a problem when Shib introduced their NFT non-fungible coin last year. Gas fees for transactions might reach 800 at one time. Developer group Unification Foundation has stated that by the third quarter of 2022, they want to have introduced Shibarium, a new Layer 2 blockchain, to address this problem. The third quarter is when the Shibarium public beta testnet is expected to be launched, in time for the much-anticipated IBC cut to coincide with the Fund testnet upgrade Gravity/W Fund updates. All parties involved in the network's operation, including validation, will be able to use the public beta testnet. Check out this post from the Unification Foundation. There are no annual or sign-up costs associated with the Binance BNB cryptocurrency debit card, and it is compatible with Google Pay and Samsung Pay. With the Binance card, you can instantly turn your Bitcoin into euros whenever you make a purchase. You can also use your financing wallet to buy euros. This is what one of Binance's frequently asked questions on their website read. Shiba and Binance formed a partnership 2 weeks ago so that the Binance card could support Shiba's coin. SHIB can now be used as a payment method in some European countries, with the added bonus of 8% BNB cashback and no fees for Forex or anything else. Do you believe Shib will surpass the $0.170 mark this evening? That was the tweet from North Carolina Senate candidate Shannon Bray in 2022. Yes, I do, and I anticipate tremendous success in international markets. No matter what happens in the next 24 hours, I'm betting on the hashtag #FaceShibaRMY to make this tweet a success. Plus, tonight, the volume will really make this stand out. Some believe that Shannon Bray's recent tweet may have been the catalyst that caused the Shib price to surge. The 24-hour trade volume of the SHIB, he tweeted, has been great. This is the hashtag SHIB 24-hour volume. Even though it may not mean much to you, today has been fantastic since I was in possession of some SHIB. In just one day, the hashtag SHIB army grew by 976%, which is nearly 4 digits. Wow, that's quite good. Go over his tweet. In addition to this, he retweeted an article on the St. Vincent and Grenadines-based cryptocurrency exchange Bluebit, which included Shiba Inu and produced a visually appealing video outlining the features of Shiba. A new game called Shiba Eternity was hinted to by Shib 2 weeks ago. This game was created by Play.ht Studios, a studio located in Australia. It will be playable on both iOS and Android devices. Because it's more than simply a game, it's a means of earning. You should think of this game as a great initiative started by Shiba Inu. There will be more in the following weeks. Be sure to tune in. The day came to an end with that. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up.